Good morning, students. Sit down. All good? Okay, fine. Acha. Before we start today's lesson, please tell me what is the date? 21st, no? Okay, fine. 21st September 2025. Acha. So, as you have already told me that all is fine, I'm glad to know that, because all should be fine, right? Because in our everyday life, we face different types of problems, but we should not surrender to it, right? Whatever happens, the show must go on. Okay. Now, we have different choices in life, right? Like someone wants to be a nurse, someone else an engineer, someone school teacher or scientist, maybe someone wrestler. So today I have already written. Today I will discuss poem. Now can you guess what poem I am going to discuss today? Very good. The North Ship. Great. So, the poem North Ship is by anyone? Very good. Philip Larkin. And the full name? Okay. Full name is Philip Arthur Larkin. Is it visible to the last page? Okay, fine. Acha. So, the theme. Acha, before we go into the poem, first let me tell something about the poet. Philip Arthur Larkin is a famous English poet, novelist and librarian. His first book of poetry is The North Ship, which was followed by Zeal and A Girl in Winter. He was a famous one. That's why he was even offered Poet Laureate, that honorary position which are given by British government to the exceptional writers. But somehow he, for some reason, declined that. Okay. So now come to the poem. The poem. The North Ship is divided into 6 quatrains. Quatrains, okay? Please write it down. Quatrain. 6 quatrains. Now what is quatrain? Quatrain is a verse form which is made up of 4 lines. That means the poem is made up of 24 lines. Okay? Before we start the poem, the theme should be discussed. The theme of the poem is that it is about different experiences people have based on their choices and circumstances. But the ultimate thing is that we should not surrender to it and continue our journey or focus on our goal and face all the perils bravely to overcome all the obstacles. Understood? Okay. Now, the poem starts like, I saw 3 ships go sailing by over the sea, the lifting sea, and the wind rose in the morning sky, and one was rigged for a long journey. Here the poet sees 3 different ships which sail across the sea and faces different problems in their journey. Okay. So the first, and there is one of the ships is rigged. R-I-G-G-E-D. Rigged. Please write it down. The meaning of rig is a boat long journey. And there is a word over the sea, the lifting sea. Here the lifting represents the waves that is rising and falling. That means there is a continuous motion or energy. And one ship is equipped for a long journey. Now the next quadrant is the north ship turned towards the west. You can see the first ship turns towards the west. Over the sea, the running sea. Here the word running means the journey of the ship is more, energetic, more quickly. And by all the wind was possessed and carried to a reached city. So the first journey of the ship is successful because it is carried by a strong wind which leads it to a successful land. And this journey represents an optimistic outcome where everything falls into place and the ship achieves its goal. That means it was a successful, happy journey. First journey of the ship. Then comes the second. The second one turned towards the east. Now the second ship turns towards the east. But here we will find something else. The journey is not like that one. First one, okay. The second one turns towards the east, over the sea, over the running sea. Quaking sea. Quaking. The word quaking means something rough, unstable, and the wind hunt it like a beast to capture or anchor in captivity. That means the wind here is compared to a hunter or predator, and the ship is a prey. P-R-E-Y, not P-R-A-Y. Okay, prey. So here the ship is being chased by the aggressive wind, and it ends being stuck up in the sea where it cannot move free. So the second journey represents the struggle, the limitation, and how a difficult journey can trap one in a challenging situation despite their all efforts. So what we learned that the first journey was successful, but the second journey there was lots of limitation and difficulties. So in life also we find the same. Someone's life goes very smooth, but someone faces different types of problems. And the third one we will not do today. The third one we will discuss later, but that's very interesting, and climax is there. That ship will face more problem. There will be no wind, but still it will continue its journey. That means in life, whenever we feel or face any problem, and there is a proverb called failure is the pillar of success. That means if we fail, it's fine, it's completely okay. But we have to learn from our failure and continue our journey to overcome all the obstacles and be a successful one in life. Understood? Okay. Today, after this, next day, I will do the next part. But before that, take a homework. Write one thing. Open your copy. Write the summary of that 2 stanzas of the poem within 100 to 150 words in your own words. Okay, I will check next time.